Hey, what's going on? Once again, it's your man, Big John Restoration. We in New Kent County out here picking up this 65 Impala to restore for the customer.
I guess you can do that. Yeah, James.
You want to speak a little bit about your dad's vehicle?
Oh yeah, it's been a long time. He need to get it done now.
All right. Yeah, I hear him.
You ready to pull
The
it?
motor has also been rebuilt with a cam and everything in it, so we're going to pick that up as well and have that put in the vehicle.
Go back to the right. Yeah, all the way there you go. All right. Check.
Y'all see the workhorse and the trailer, my man Mana right there, winching it inside.
The fender well clear on that side? Yeah. All right.
Big John Restoration. Y'all know how we do these cars. This one's getting stripped all the way down to the metal and repainted. A very nice
Clear on
vehicle.
this side.
Don't let it roll back too much to you.
Because keep going.
Because if it roll back to you, you have to hold it till we get where we gotta go. Hey, don't let it roll back and hit you.
Nah. Stay on you too, man. Stay on your first day. Another man's that first day. I'm going where the other tire marks.
All right, but I don't want the car to roll back. If it crush,
You want to hook to it?
nah, it ain't gonna roll back if we.
Yeah.
All right, we signing out. Hey, we signing out, man.
Sign out. Peace. Oh, hold on. I gotta take this off, man.
Hey, whoa, hey.
This is not.
Hey, what's that?
It's not.
Yeah.
It's not officially Black and Silver
Yeah, okay, whatever.
Raider Nation.
All right, man, we can ready to end our video. We're gonna put you in it real quick.
Wait a minute.
You in it right now? It's live right now.
Hi guys. I'm trying to surprise my husband for his 1965 that John Restoration is going to do. Been 20 years, so thank God it's finally going to happen. Thank you.
All right, we definitely thank you. All right, John Restoration. Stay tuned for the outcome. Good day.